Hello everyone, this is Jido Moila. Welcome to the month of July and also the beginning of the second half of the year. I pray for you that this season shall be greater than the first. I'd like to remind you again, brand new, the sound of Hallelujah, available on all streaming platforms. If you've not done so, go listen to it. It's gonna be a blessing to you. Once again, welcome to the month of July. God bless you. Take care.